Hey viewers, welcome back to the Excel Tips and Tricks channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the SUMIF function in Excel. Let's dive right in. I've got a simple table with 3 columns: product, quantity, and sales amount. Now, let's say I want to sum up the sales amount for only a specific product, for instance, Apple. Click on the cell where you want the result to appear. Type equals SUMIF. Then select the range that contains the criteria you want to match. Next, type a comma and then enter the criteria, which is Apple. Or you can select the cell that contains Apple. Now, type another comma and select the range that you want to sum. Close the bracket and hit enter. There you go. Excel will immediately calculate the total sales amount for Apple. If you want to repeat this for other products, just change the criteria in the formula. For example, if you want to sum the sales amount for milk instead of Apple, simply replace Apple with milk in the formula. Then press enter, and Excel will give you the total sales for milk. Now, if you want to verify that the result is right, you can manually check it by filtering the data. Just go to the product column, apply a filter for milk, and then manually sum the sales amounts. This should match the result you got from the SUMIF function. If it matches, you've done it right. That's it for today's tutorial. The SUMIF function is a powerful tool, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please share it with your family and friends.